Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and this PILOCOS mirror has totally brought our dining room to life. Before, we had this big, bare, really sad looking white wall in our dining room, and I really wanted something for it. The hanging strip that comes with it and all of the tools and mechanisms that are used for installation are very strong. This mirror will not budge. After installing, my husband even wanted to move it over by just a couple of inches, and it was not easy to move even this small amount. That's how firmly it installs. My husband and I are absolutely thrilled with what this mirror adds to our home. It has gorgeous, minimalistic, simple, chic vibes, and I'm completely in love with the rose gold color and the finish of the frame. The mirror itself has this excellent, crisp, crystal clear image. The whole thing together is really a work of art. Besides myself, my husband has commented to me frequently how much he loves this mirror, and he is not big into home decor. Even he has no difficulty seeing how this mirror really brightens up our space. We could not be happier with this PILOCOS mirror and how it has really beautified our home. And that's my point of view.